Alright, premise number 1. Try to make a kill switch. And I'm trying to do it in a way that isn't going to kill my helix. So if you imagine slamming down momentarily on a helix foot switch, how long are you going to be able to do that? Optical, I believe, is the way. So interrupt the beam, sound goes away. See that little yellow light? Put it back, she comes back. Pretty damn quick. Let's sit this here so nobody gets seasick. That's what I'm talking about when I say flutter. So what I want to do with this is take this thing. Howdy folks. I want to take that, interrupt the right switch, running it through this boost. And make this into that telegraph switch thing. Pedal that is almost impossible to find, which costs a bomb, and I really wanted the yellow one, but that's limited edition, and that's finished. So here's the question: can that optical switcheroo there, which is never going to break, do a decent enough job with Chad Huskey's preset